Morning, everyone. This morning I felt compelled to share a word with you. A word went out over Heal the Land about a few weeks ago, less than a month ago, to say that it was the time for us to gather the harvest of the previous season's seed that we have sown, and that we should ask the Lord, where have we sown, and that we should reap that harvest in the Spirit. Pray over it and say, Lord, I come before you and I receive that which has come up in harvest. But this morning or last night, somewhere in the last day or two, I really experienced the Lord also saying that we must realize that there are things that people miss. There are assignments that people handed out. That God handed out to people, that He gave to His body, that did not come to pass because people were disobedient. And He is reassigning those assignments to new people. So I believe that the Lord is going to be reassigning certain assignments in this time. So be very sensitive and aware that the Lord is reassigning, which means that there was already someone that received this assignment that didn't do it. It's already late. So when the Lord speaks to you, be immediately obedient in what He tells you to do so that His kingdom can advance and His will can come to pass. God bless you.